Alright, we got some blue sea holly there. That's not doing as good as I would hope. Got a couple catnip plants there. That's a lemon tree. It's another blue sea holly that got devastated by some bugs. Got some boxwood basil. Smells great, tastes great. Got some sweet peppers, some sage that also got infested with bugs, but it's starting to bounce back. This is some type of acacia tree from the Amazon. Got another lemon tree back here. That's wild coffee from Brazil. Not to be confused with coffee that we drink, not the same plant. Some more catnip, another lemon tree. Also another tree from the Amazon, the Mimosa hostilis. I believe it's a type of acacia as well. Got some more peppers. Need to repot that one soon. Some more peppers, more peppers. Way too hot to eat, but growing them anyway. There's some onion that I cut the shoots off and eat sometimes. Got a poinsettia going. Some morning glory down here. Another morning glory that's trying to vine up here. This is Echium pinninana, also called Tower of Jewels. Makes a really cool flower whenever it flowers. But I'm gonna have to take that outside when it starts flowering. It gets too big. Got a little bit of rosemary there. That's lavender that I think got overwatered and got bugs. We'll see if it comes back. Who knows? That's another rosemary that got bugs and overwatered. And come over here, and those are some monstera. Hopefully when they grow up there'll be some nice holes in the leaves. This guy, aglonemia, I believe. I love this one. It opens up in the morning. Its leaves will fold back in the mornings and then they fold up on itself like this at night. Love this one. This is a Begonia maculata with metallic silver spots everywhere. Kind of got a red bottom. Super cool plant. Amaryllis in the background here. A little terrarium that I made. Got a running waterfall. And just various little plants all through here. And then we've got a bird of paradise here. And some more catnip. More morning glories. What am I going to do with all these morning glories? They're going to take over the whole house. Some more catnip here. Some dog here. We've got another. That would be bird of paradise. This is another blue sea holly. Mushrooms pop up in the soil every once in a while because I water too much. This is a kiwi berry vine. I have had lots of problems with keeping this guy going, but I would love to keep it alive. It'd be nice to have kiwi fruits, little kiwi berry fruits, not the big hairy ones. They're a little different. Got some strawberries here that make little tiny strawberries. It also is recovering from a massive aphid infestation. Lots of strawberries around. This is a croton. Then we have a Fittonia that apparently throws a fit when it needs water, but I tend to overwater everything, so I have not seen it throw a fit yet. Some more monstera down here. another begonia, which is starting to put out a flower. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, more catnip down here. This is a scarlet sage. It was a weed growing inside of another plant that I bought and transplanted it, and it grew into this. It puts out some pretty cool red flowers, but I moved it away from the light so it stopped flowering so much because it constantly flowers and drops its flowers very quickly. It's making a mess. I believe this is called a zigzag plant or a devil's backbone. Still trying to figure that one out. I don't know what this is. It was some type of vine that a lady at a nursery plucked off and said, "Here, transplant this. We've had trouble." I'm trying. I've had quite a bit of the vine die back, so we'll see. Those are just little pieces that I stuck in the soil. We'll see if they stay alive. Got another croton back here. Succulent. I believe this is an anthurium. And we have some, I believe that's a fern of some kind, or a moss. That's maidenhair fern over here. Have an olive tree growing with a jade plant sitting on top. Another zigzag plant here. I bought those from the nursery and they were fully in water. And so transplanted them into soil when they got here, and they haven't died, but they're not doing so great. Got a pothos here. That comes up. And then have some orchids going. I believe that's a zebra plant or a haworthia. And then have an ornamental sweet potato vine in this guy, which apparently I overwater, and that's what all these crystals are, is when it has too much water, it pushes salt crystals out of its leaves, which I thought was interesting. I have another bird of paradise. This little guy has more morning glories that I just planted all in it. This is another kiwi berry that didn't quite make it. We'll see if it starts shooting out new leaves. I believe that is a type of bromeliad. Those are the pups. I just cut back the mother plant not too long ago. And those are all the little babies that came out of it. Hopefully they open up all the way soon and they have a really cool long red flower. Some more lemon trees back there. Another begonia. Oh, a croton that also succumbed to massive bug infestation, but it's starting to come back to life. Sure took a long time. Another begonia. Some more catnip. Trying to propagate some moss in here. Have another container of moss in here. Another thing of moss here. Trying to go mushrooms up here. That's also not going well. And then if we come over to this area, another aglaumenia. Some stuff I'm trying to start. Nothing's popped up in this container. I do have a couple little guys in here. And then we move on to some cactus and jade. Lots of jade. Super easy to propagate. I'm not sure what this is called, but another succulent. Another one here. And that's a little baby San Pedro cactus I started from seed. Another. Oh, hi, ladybug. Yeah, eat them bugs. Thank you. Eat all the pests. I believe this is Peruvian blue torch. No, that's another San Pedro that just is not doing great. Started at the same time as this one. Some aloe vera, another Haworthia, another one of these cactus. These guys. This one's starting to send out its flower, which is pretty cool. And this is one of my favorites. This is a Rex begonia. Got a very red back of the leaf. Kind of a silvery hue, silvery green. Love the way this plant looks. I'm not remembering the name of this one. It seems to be doing all right. Have some more different plants up here. This guy sent up flowers a long time ago. Big old aloe. Got another jade up here. And another aloe vera. Let's just zoom back for the full picture of this setup. Even though it's in the south-facing window, I still like to give everything a little extra light. Keeps everybody happy and growing well. Oh, I forgot to mention, whatever this is, it smells like Pine Sol cleaner. It's very strong smell and it smells great, but it does smell like a cleaner. And she's jealous that I'm talking to the plants and not playing with her. We'll go outside in a second. And then got this little area here. Oh, there go some of the lights turning off. And there's all the plants in the living room.